Hi Tarot Bunnies! It's Ethany and it's Friday, which means I have a new deck to share with you for First Impressions Friday on my channel. And today we are looking at the Universal Oracle cards. Now this is a little, look at this cute little deck. It's a plain card size by Little Wanderer on Instagram. Fellow Vancouverian, is that the right word? Vancouverian. Maybe not. Found me on Instagram and said, can I send you a little deck to share with everyone? So it's Christina Georgia. I'm terrible. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, I do try. That's all I can really do. But she's from the Little Wanderer. So she does intuitive tools, color therapy and jewelry and stuff like that on Instagram. So I'm going to swap over cameras and we're going to explore this little psychedelic Universal Oracle cards. Okay, so now we're going to go through the Universal Oracle cards by Christina Georgieva. I've just butchered your name and I apologize for it. Open up, little drawstring. So it comes with a little drawstring pouch. Thank you, Ethany. This is the creator handle, Little Wanderer, at color therapy, jewelry, and intuitive developmental tools. And I feel so bad because I've had this for a while, so I'm so sorry to Christina, who lives in Vancouver and was a part of the team who won an Academy Award for visual effects. Like, damn, this is a talented person. So it comes in a little tuck box. We have black edges. They are poker sized, 350 GSM. It's quite nice thick cardstock. The back has got a galaxy. And let's go through the cards. There's no guidebook or anything. It's just based on your intuition. So we have truth, all perspectives in one. So this is, I love that it's black with the symbol and the art being what is really illuminated. Love, universal unconditional love source. So you have those keywords at the top to help you read these. Expansion, growth, and progress. Union, unity, oneness, merging. Passion, creative energy, enthusiasm, and drive. Explore, experience, adventure, wonder, and journey. Awesome map of the world. Purge, cleanse, clear, release. And what better way to do that than with fire? Absolutely. And you can even like stare into this and make out, scry some images from those flames. Universe, you are not alone, ask for help. Transformation, rebirth, change, paradigm shift. Cycle, repetition, patterns, phases. Feminine, creation, nurturing, receptivity. Shadow, fear, pain, trauma, dark night. Almost just like a bug, like with that the bottom there. Ego, humanness, conditioning, and insecurity. Perspective, the bigger picture. Future, anticipate, dream, and plan. Protection, all is well, you are safe. Talents, on the right path. Guitar, that's so cool. self-worth, boundaries, pride and grace, a peacock. Dreams, messages in dreams and visions. Commitment, dedication, loyalty and devotion. Unicorn, manifestation, magic, believe and faith. Balance, harmony, equilibrium and equality. Balloony, joy, play, celebration, fun and lightness. Innocence, unconditioned, trusting, vulnerable, pure. Teddy bear. Retreat, self-love, self-care, contemplation and rest. Present, mindfulness, silence, meditate, breathe. Lotus flower. Guidance, wisdom, learning new information. It's like a mushroom. Chaos, confusion, turmoil, falling apart. Void, empty, lonely, unfulfilled, loss and lack. Allow, flow, trust and surrender, like gorgeous dolphin. Patience, divine timing, maturing, persistence. Home, belonging, origin, comfort. All those little blue marbles. Abundance, generosity, giving and variety. Receiving, gratitude, appreciation and acceptance. Choice, decision, options, possibilities, hesitation. Communication, oh I love it's got the two hearts and then this spiraling blue connecting it, like the heart and throat chakra is working together. Connect, reach out, speak and listen. Completion, ending, result, rewards. Healing, shadow work, inner child work. Essence, soul, authenticity, signature vibration. Goals, hopes, dreams, aspirations, ideas. Kitty cat, independence, self-sufficiency, freedom and sovereignty. A cute cat. Intuition, knowing, extrasensory perception. Lovers, divine counterpart, chemistry and partnership. Masculine, direction, movement, protection and giving. Ooh, hooded figure. Ooh, spooky. Past, emotional baggage, forgive, move on. You can actually, I don't know if you can see it better, but you can, the colors in here may not be picked up completely because of they are black. And some of the darker colors aren't picking up, but you can see them in real life quite easily. Individuality, uniqueness, perfection. Pleasure, enjoyment, sensuality, physicality. Stability, security, grounding, strength and safety. Temptation, impulse, betrayal. Ooh, dependency, I like that image. Addiction, attachment, toxicity. Alrighty. Let's give it a shuffle and see what we get. Okay, that was my fault. Well, that was a lousy shuffle. Okay. Better. shuffle quite nicely. These are little mini cards, which I quite like. Dependency. I did say I liked that card. Addiction, attachment, toxicity. Interesting, because I've got a friend who's moving out of a very toxic relationship, and there is a addiction issue there. So this is like, oh, really reading what's going on. So I'm going to leave in the description below. So this deck like called out what was going on pretty bloody quickly. In the description below, where you can go and find Little Wanderer, who lives in Vancouver, and see what she has on offer, what Christina has on offer. What do we have on the back here? So I just quickly want to show, welcome to the Universal Oracle cards, gorgeous being. There's a little note here from her on the back of the box. 50 cards, there we go. Does it say here? Intuitive development tools. Yeah, awesome. So thank you so much for watching. Go send Christina some love, and until next time, stay amazing.